Okay, so you've talked about maybe wanting to pay off your mortgage early, but how in the world do you do that? How does that work, right? Sierra Huddleston, Boss Heart Realty, here we go. So first of all, a lot of people talk about paying off your mortgage early, but they don't realize the impact that has. So for example, if you paid an extra payment every year, everybody says, do an extra payment every year. But do you know that that could take off 3 years, 6 years, 8 years off of your mortgage payment? Think about that. That's 12 payments a year. For 6 years, that's 72 payments. If you're paying $2,000 a month, you could save $144,000 at the end of it. What? How does that work? Well, think about it. You're paying interest on that money every single day for 30 years. So if you're paying some of that money ahead of time, you're saving up all that money in that interest rate, okay? Now, how do we do it? You know I'm a how girl. You know I like to tell you specifically how to do it. So one, instead of paying your mortgage once a month, like most people do, once a month, boom, 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 pay your mortgage half of it every 2 weeks. What? Yeah, every 2 weeks, do your half payment. Now, if you pay once a month, you're paying 12 payments and you're done. But if you pay half every 2 weeks, it still comes out to 2 payments a month, so more or less the same money. But there are actually 52 weeks in a year, right? So the 52, that's 13 payments. Trust me, I've done the math. Okay, that's 13 payments. There's your extra payment every year. Another thing to do that I like is I call it the roundup. So let's say your mortgage payment is $1,925, right? So from day one, you're gonna start paying $1950. You pay $1950, right? You're rounding up to and once you get used to that after a few months, be like, all right, I'm gonna do $1970 now. So you start paying $1970. Once you get used to it, you don't really feel it, so you go to $1990. All of a sudden, you're paying $2,000. All right. So now you're up to that $100 a month, but you don't stop there. You're like, you make it into kind of a game. Oh yeah, how fast can I pay my mortgage off now? Let's do 1920. Let's do 2020. Let's do 2030. Let's do 2050, and just keep rounding up as you get comfortable with your payment. Keep rounding up. The next way to do it is lump sum. You can dedicate, you can decide like, okay, when I get this bonus, I'm gonna put it right to my mortgage, and just commit, like when I get a bonus, boom, it goes there. When I get my taxes, boom, it goes there. When I get this lump sum, boom, it goes there. So that's another way that you could do it. You can pay 13 payments in a year, you could do a lump sum, you could round up, you can pay $100 more a month. Lots of options for you. Give me a call and we can walk through these. Sierra Huddleston, Boss Heart Realty.